keep your Canva organized. So if I wanted to stay organized and I'm looking at my home screen, there's a couple of red flags. One big red flag is having something called untitled design. Another red flag is having copy or copy of a copy of a copy. I'm not ever going to be able to find that. So make sure to name your designs clearly. So let's make a folder. First thing I want to do is I want to go over to projects. And now I want to click the plus sign up top. I want to say new folder. And I'm going to call this one Canva Shorts. Maybe I'm a third grade teacher and I want to share it with my other third grade teachers. And we can all collaborate and put our designs together in one folder. This is where you could do that. I'm selfish, I'm not going to share. Okay, so now I'm going to open that. If I don't click open, that's fine. It shows up under folders. So here it is, Canva Shorts. Now, if I want to add designs, I can either do it here, add designs. I'm going to go to your projects, or I could say Canva Short. And there, this is why labeling your projects, naming your projects is so important. So I'm going to choose that. I'm going to say move. Another way I could do it is I could go to home. I can say Canva Shorts. See, I'm on your designs, Canva Shorts. And here I could actually do drop down here, move. And I want to move it to Canva Shorts. If you want to be able to access, let's say you have a lot of folders and you know that there are a couple of folders out of 30 folders that you have that you access all the time, you can favorite them. So if I wanted to favorite this, I just hover over my folder, click the star, and now if I go to the 3 lines, that we call it the hamburger menu, I don't know about you, but we do. There is a category called your starred, and there is my Canva Shorts right there. You can always delete these folders. If you delete anything on Canva, it will automatically delete after 30 days. Otherwise, it's in the trash. So if you accidentally hit delete, just go to your trash, which is in the hamburger menu at the bottom, trash. Another organization tip is to actually organize your uploads. So if you go into your uploads, I have videos, audio, design, and even folders. So you can create a folder. Let's say I am making a lot of holiday designs. I'm going to say Christmas. So if I go to my images and select all the ones that are Christmas, down here, this pops up. So if I hover over that, it says move, and I'm going to say Christmas. Move. So it's removed it from images because this can also be overwhelming when you're looking for that one picture and you can picture it and it's driving you crazy because you cannot find it. Go to folders. Oh, it was a Christmas thing. There's all my pictures. I hope these tips on how to keep your Canva account organized helps you focus just on the creativity of Canva and not so much of where did my stuff go. See you next time.